Oh, are you going to ballet dance too?
Yeah.
So do that, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, Didi, can you show me your kitchen? Okay, let's see where is Didi's kitchen. One, say that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da!
Wow, that's beautiful. What do you like in that one? Right. And then? What are you making, Didi? You're making something? What is it?
A cake.
Oh.
Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon go?
I don't know.
Where's the spoon? Ah. It's not the spoon. It's a cup.
Oh, it's not there?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bug.
Hey, where is the bug?
Jump it.
Okay. We'll see that later. You hit a bug? Didi, can you tell me a story? A superhero story?
Okay. Once at a time, a baby ran really, really fast.
Uh-huh.
It's lost.
Then?
Really, really fast.
That baby? It was Incredibles movie?
Yeah.
Okay. What happens in that one?
A video is two baby, a mommy, a papa.
Oh, there is a mummy and a papa
Yeah.
and a baby who really runs fast.
Yeah. A sweet baby.
Okay.
One papa,
Mm-hmm.
one mama,
Mhm.
one papa,
And
one papa.
okay. There are 4 people.
Yeah.
Okay. And what happens? Hey, did you see Bug's Life? You like that one?
See? A robot came.
And then
Really, really fast.
they fight the robot?
I know, a moat.
A moat?
Yeah.
A remote?
Yeah, I hit.
Oh, they.
I
Oh,
place a bunch.
okay. That's nice. Did you see Ravan? The Jeevan Agya? Jeevan saves you?
Yeah,
How does Jeevan save you, Riddhi?
like this.
He picks the cars, right?
Yeah, like this. A robot.
Oh, nice.
Robot shotgun.
Robot is all gone?
Yeah.
Jeevan hit the robot?
Yeah.
How does Jeevan fight? Show me. Riddhi, how do Jeevan fight? And then?
Yeti, up a sky, it hit the robot.
Oh,
Akashi to the robot.
Agashi turns to a robot?
Yeah,
And then?
like this.
Oh no. And then?
Yeti go up a sky.
And then?
Yeti is a superhero.
Oh, superhero Riddhi. Wow. Riddhi is Jeevan? Is Riddhi like a Jeevan? Riddhi is like a Jeevan? Who saves
I
Praj?
save you.
Okay.
Who's Dolly?
Okay.
It's scared.
Okay, Dolly is safe now. Hey, Riddhi, what happens in that grass?
Yeti's the one.
Okay. Riddhi, what happens in the grasshopper movie? You like that Bugs Life grasshopper movie? And the ants? Who saves the ants, Riddhi? You save the ants? Riddhi, who saves the ants? You like the ants movie?
See?
Oh, it's almost ready.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have that. Give it to me. I'll eat it. Can you tell me about grasshopper movie? You like that grasshopper movie? No?
I love grasshoppers movie.
Okay, what happens? Who saves the ants?
I hate the grasshoppers.
You hit the grasshoppers?
Yeah.
No, there was a bird who hit the grasshoppers, Riddhi.
Yeah, hit the bird grasshoppers. Two birds ago. Two birds.
Two birds?
Yeah.
Two small birds eat the grasshopper?
Yeah.
What was grasshopper doing? He was scaring the ants?
No. Mama ant.
There was a mama ant.
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
A papa ant.
Okay, and then?
It said go away ant, papa.
Okay.
And Miss Guy it said go away, papa.
But grasshopper, why did grasshopper, is a grasshopper bad guy? Grasshopper is a bad guy?
Yeah.
Why?
Like this. Grasshoppers.
Grasshopper slaps?
Look, baby ant kitty.
Baby ant is Riddhi?
Yeah.
So who saves grasshopper is a bad boy? Why is he bad?
They fly up the sky.
And then?
Baby ant fly away.
Okay.
Grasshopper scared a baby ant.
And then?
I know. A tree hit the grasshoppers.
And then?
Hit it.
And then what happened?
Papa ate the food.
It's a food time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting cold?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll eat food. You tell me about one more story. That Disney story you saw?
No, bus. Bus story.
Done?
Yeah.
You're done with the story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat the food.
It's eat a food time?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where is your mama, Riddhi? Where is your mama?
See, this is my fridge.
Yeah, I know. Where is your mama, Riddhi? Beta, where is your mama? I'm asking you.
See? I make bunny you.
Oh, thank you for pani too. Yeah, I was thinking something is missing. Oh, so much thanks, Riddhi. I like your food. I like it. You like your kitchen? You like your kitchen, Riddhi?
I get new one. A bunny.
Okay,
New
you
bunny.
want to pani? Okay. Okay, sweetie. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Papa.
Thank you, Riddhi.
Here goes Papa. Bunny.
You will be turning 3 now next month.
Kana. This one. A bunny. This one.
Thank you for all khana Riddhi. Okay? Okay. One belly dancey in the end?
Look. I have washed your hand.
Oh, I will wash my hand. Can you do a one belly dance for me? And then I will eat food?
See?
Riddhi, a belly dance, please?
See? This is Marino.
Y-
See? Take a look.
Yeah,
Take a look. It's my tree.
yeah, I like
Take a
it.
look.
Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Riddhi, the ballet dancer. Can you please do the ballet dance?
Okay, eat the food.
Okay, it's a eat a food time.
Yeah, eat the food, eat the funny, eat the this one.
Okay, thank you so much, sweetie.
Thank you.
I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm starting to eat now. Can you pose with your fridge? Give me a pose with your fridge. Very nice. Thank you so much.